Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the Magical Monthly Mystery Subscription Reveal for the month of April. So this month's subscription will go available to you on April 1st and subscription signups will end on the 10th. This is the reveal for the month of April. So if you're already subscribed, this is the kit that you're going to be getting. So if you don't want to see it, now is the time to walk away before I flip it over. But if you do want to see what you are getting this month, or you are looking to sign up, here we go. So this month's theme is my mom. Oh my gosh, isn't this just the most adorable thing ever? It is absolutely stunning. This kit is beautiful. The colors are fantastic. It's beautiful. I don't know if my lighting is doing that well. I can never tell until I actually get it on the editing platform as to whether or not you can actually see the colors pop and whether you can see the foil really well, because my lights make it so bright that it's hard for me to tell. But I hope you guys are seeing how stinking adorable this is. But it's a very pastel, very beautiful. My idea for this was that we were having Mother's Day celebration at Tiana's place. So here you got Tiana and her beautiful mama. You've got Mother's Day dinner at 6 p.m. and this is the Tiana's place. Then you have your little card here with your tulips, and look at, there's like a little mom bracelet right there. Then you've got Sebastian, who is serving some flowers to his best girls here. You've got Ariel and Melody. Again, they're at Tiana's place for dinner. Look at this little Mickey head beignet. So cute with the teapot, presents, more flowers. You got Mrs. Potts, who is also here celebrating, and you've got some yummy treats in the background from that. So this is your 8 full boxes. Oh, so stunning. This is on unicorn paper. Your page 2, which has your 9th full box. Look at your Mickey waffle on the plate. Oh, I just love this kit. It is just so perfect. Then you've got, this is all exclusive. Remember that this is all exclusive artwork. Even the papers are exclusive. So your washi, your date covers, your smaller 15mm washi, and some labels. I did make some changes. I'll point them out as we get to them. So here I've got a couple of new sections here with more functionals. I always give you a ton of functionals so that you can use this kit for more than 1 month if that is what you choose. Then over here you've got your numbers, you've got some paint swatches, some check boxes, check hearts, all that, a rounded box. This is a page that has a lot of things that are different. You still have your doodle boxes and your to-dos, today's importance, etc. You got your movie marquee here, but I added in some work labels, a smaller Monday through Sunday, a couple bill dues, and then a weekly spending tracker right here for you. And then you've got your dividers here. Next up is all of your functionals in the beautiful papers in the background. These are really, really good big boxes right here for if you wanted to put your, if you're getting the foil bundle, you put your foil overlays here with because I always try to give you like quote boxes and stuff, so that would go really well here. There's also some that are smaller size, so they could go on the smaller ones if you wanted to, or they're just really good places to write in. Then you've got your colorways and functionals. So you've got like 3/4 boxes, quarter boxes. Then here's another difference that I did. Another change here is check boxes. So I gave you 8 different check boxes here, and it's all like, what do you call that? Ombre in all of the colors. Then you've got your paint swatches and paint swatch hearts, labels and little things, doodle boxes, glitter headers, and then another sheet of the numbers with the days of the week in case you needed those. Then for the monthly part of it, you've got all of your months. You've got your little things with some more bill dues. Remember, this is the monthly part of it, so it's kind of, you can mix and match any way that you want to, but this is kind of set up and sized for a monthly. More numbers, more days of the week, more labels, more bill dues, and like I said, some scripts. More scripts on this page. This is your sidebar tracker, which I left it nice and plain with the beautiful paper in the background, so you've got plenty of room to write. You've got some 3/4 boxes and half boxes, labels, and a full like art box. Then here are your 2 pages that can go on the top, so you can go either way, doesn't matter. Depending on where your sidebar is, you will kind of switch, and you'll switch these depending on which way your sidebar is, because one of these comes up, this one has the ends that come off. So there is that. So there's all of the just the kit by itself, and I'll leave this kind of laying out so that you can see all the pretty colors while we go over the foil. So the foil bundle this month is in this really, really pretty pink metallic. and it's all Mother's Day themed. It's really, really cute, really nice, soft pink, but it's got the quote boxes, like, I don't know what to call them. So they're boxes that go over artwork or can go over artwork. So say you wanted to put it over like this, but it says like my mom and Happy Mother's Day all around it, with the center being clear so that you can see the artwork around it. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you see how Arial kind of pops through. Anyway, so you've got your fancy labels on the side, fancy dividers on the side. You've got 3 of these smaller boxes here where you've got your artwork in them. So you've got like this Pretty Mama one, you've got Best Mom Ever and Happy Mother's Day. That is that one. Then this one is your washi overlay page with a bougie box and some deco on the top. And again, it says Happy Mother's Day, my mom. You've got the mama ones in the middle, so very Mother's Day themed. This one is your full, I actually think that says flower shop. It does says flower shop. That's funny. Whenever you're redesigning things, sometimes I forget to change the name at the top. So no worries. These are all like the prototypes. So the ones that go out to you will be the right ones. These ones I make super early so that I can show them to you. But then when I go into production, I find all my little mistakes, and I don't like finding them on film, but oh well, there it is. So here's all your overlay boxes. You've got 8 overlay boxes here. Then you've got your underlay boxes. So these are all your like bougie boxes that go underneath. And then you've got your weekend banner and all of your like scripts and your icons and some more numbers if you would rather have the foil numbers. So there is the foil pack that goes with it. Remember that this kit comes with 2 different options. You can get artwork only kit, or you can get the whole thing together with this, which is artwork and foil. So there's everything for the month of April's. Not everything for the month of April. I have a whole release for the month of April for the Etsy shop, but as far as like the monthly mystery, magical monthly mystery, here's the reveal. Remember, sign up start on April 1st. They end on the 10th. I will leave everything linked in the description below, and I will talk to you again soon. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.